In this video, we will learn how to create an event on Facebook. Here is my Facebook profile. On the left side, you can see an event option. Click over there. Create new event. Here you can see, a pop-up is open. Let's start editing. First of all, add an event cover photo. Upload a cover photo. Select an image and open it. From here you can adjust the cover position. Let's move on to the event name. Select the event starting date and time. And also enter the end date and time. From here, you can choose whether your event is in person or virtual. I will go with virtual. From here, you can choose Messenger rooms where people can join the event. You can schedule on Facebook Live, add an external link, or another all instructions about the event to participate. I will go with Facebook Live. Who can see it? I will go with the public option. Enter details about the event. Add your co-host's name here. You can repeat the event more than one time. In additional settings, show guest list, only hosts can post in the event. Posts must be approved by a host. Choose anyone according to your requirements. Once you are all done, click on Create an Event. Here, you can invite your friends as well. Our event is successfully created. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.